something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you all again. I'm so sorry I've been away for so long, but I've been just really busy with work. I'm back with you all for another great video, so I'm so happy to be back with you all again. In today's video, we are going to try to do a little bit of yard work, gardening. So we're gonna be more outside of my house right now. I am definitely not one with a green thumb. So if you see me make any mistakes or something doesn't look, if something doesn't look like how it's supposed to be done, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, but let me know in a friendly way, please. No rude comments. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna show you the things that I picked up from Home Depot. I just went to Home Depot and I picked up some items to redo the front yard and stuff. So let me show you what I got, and let me just show you what I've been doing out here in the front yard. All right, so I'm gonna turn the camera on and go ahead and get started. But before I do, if you are new to my channel, welcome. So glad to have you part of this amazing Joss and Christina family. And if you are returning, thank you so much for stopping back by again. I always appreciate all of my faithful followers. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let me turn the camera on and show you what I got going on here. All right, so let me show you what I got. I picked up some of this black mulch from Home Depot. It's called Earth Grow Black Mulch Color Advantage, and it says it's a year-long color guarantee to stay black. So hopefully this will last for a long time. It does say it helps prevent weeds, and it helps to conserve soil moisture, and it's easy to care for. So I bought 6 bags, and I believe each bag was around like $3. It wasn't super expensive, which is really good. The other thing I picked up was this bag of Smart Patch by Pennington. Let me show you what this looks like. So it's called Smart Patch Bare Spot Repair for Lawns. I don't have any bare spots, but I do have like some brown spots on my grass. And so when I went to Home Depot, they said that that would work pretty good for like brown spots, because I have some brown spots that have just kind of dried up. And I also bought these 2 plants here. They don't have the name on them. So if you guys know what this is called, what these are called, please let me know down in the comments below. You see how much I do not know about plants and outdoor lawn care stuff, but they were really pretty, and I thought these would be nice to put them in the front yard. So I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to definitely try to plant these in the front yard right now. I also picked up 2 water sprinklers. I bought these from Amazon. They were very affordable. I have to check the price, but I'll try to make sure I link them down in the description box below. Woo! Oh my God! I bought 2 water sprinklers from Amazon, and I will make sure to link these down in the description box below. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm actually gonna do with my younger son is just try to pull up these weeds here. We have like a lot of like weeds just kind of hanging out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those up really fast, and then try to dig up that area to put these 2 plants there. So let's see how that looks. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, hopefully you can hear me. My son is actually gonna be pulling up the weeds right now. I'm actually gonna go around this side of the house while my son's gonna be pulling up these weeds, and I'm gonna go around the side of the house and just use my weed whacker to trim the edges on this side of the house. All right guys, let me show you what I've done. So right now, I put my gloves on. Right now my son is digging. This is where the old plant used to be that came with the house when we bought it, and so pretty much had died out. So we dug, well, he's still digging, but over here what I did was dig out the old plant, which is right here. So here's like the root of the old plant. So I dug that out, and then I put this new plant right there to grow. And like I said, that one still has leaves on it, so I'm not going to pull that one up. I think that one still might be okay if I just water it. So we're just gonna finish digging up this space right here, and then I'm gonna put this plant in here, and then we're gonna lay down some fresh mulch. All right, so I will check back in with you all very shortly. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is another day of me finishing working on my front yard. So I actually ran out of mulch to finish up the like the front part of the house where all the flowers are. So I'm actually about to go into Home Depot right now. That's where I am right now. I'm sitting in the car. So we're gonna go inside and I'm just gonna go ahead and get some more mulch, and then we're gonna finish up with the front part of the house, the front yard. So let me go ahead and do that. So let's head inside to Home Depot, and I want to show you like the different types of mulch that they do have, and just kind of maybe go over why I picked the one that I picked out. So yeah, so let's head inside Home Depot right now. Alright guys, we are out here. This is the lawn and garden or section of Home Depot. So I just want to show you, these were the plants that I actually put in my front yard. I'm trying to see if there's a name on them because I remember I couldn't tell you what the name was. They're called Heart to Heart, looks like strap leaf caladium. So it looks like that's what these plants are called. And when I spoke to the gentleman at the front at checkout, he says these are really good plants to plant like if you're going into the like fall season, because they will be able to, you know, come back out during the spring months very nicely. So that's why I planted these plants in my front yard. So they have tons of plants to choose from, but I just wanted to make sure I got something that will be good going into the fall season because we are approaching fall. So let me go ahead and go over to the mulch so I can get a few more bags of mulch. I already picked up, like, I believe I got 6 bags of mulch, and the mulch, they are $3.97 a bag. So I'm gonna say I probably need about 6 more, and I think that will do. Now this is the mulch that I got. This is the black mulch. Like I said, color advantage. It's supposed to like stay black all year long. So really good, it's supposed to be really good for your plants to help them grow. Like I said, there's a color guarantee to stay for this mulch to stay black all year long, but they have tons of options for mulch. Like they have this brown one. This one's really pretty. Also by Earth Grow Scott's. So same thing, supposed to really last all year long. And they have a red mulch. My neighbor actually has this red mulch, which is really pretty. So they have like tons of options for mulches over here, and they're all pretty fairly the same price. It looks like this wood mulch is $6.47, but for the most part, all the other mulches are $3.97 a bag. So, and I didn't see how much is in here. It is, this says 1.5 cubic feet. So that's about believe that's about how much mulch is in here, if I'm reading it correctly. So yeah, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and have my boys grab 6 bags for me, put them in the cart, and then we will head back to the house and spread out the rest of this mulch and see how that looks. Come on, guys. Can you guys just pick up 6 bags, put them in the cart? There you go. Okay. Come here, Aaron. A couple more to go. We're good? All right, guys, before we leave, I also wanted to share that I actually have these plants in the front of my house as well. One on each side of the front of my house. I'll show you what they look like, but these are called emerald green arbor vitae. So these plants actually are really good at like lasting. I noticed that these have lasted me since last year, and I barely have to water them. So if you're looking for, I feel like, some type of plant that you don't have to worry about doing too much maintenance to, I would definitely recommend these. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have these type of plants anywhere around your house. I definitely think they are easy to maintain, especially for somebody who is not doesn't really have a green thumb like me. All right, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and check out. I will see you all back at the house. All right, guys, so we're back home and I got all the mulch and everything almost spread out. I'm gonna turn the camera on so I can just show you what everything looks like, and then also show you my new water sprinkler really quick too. All right, so this is what the front yard looks like. I'm gonna walk around. The mulch is looking really good. I have my boys spreading out the mulch for me. Ooh, excuse me. I have my boys spreading out the mulch for me. So as you can see, there are a couple of great patches there. We still got to fill in with some more fresh black mulch, especially like over here on this side. But I feel like it's looking pretty good. It's really filling in with all of the mulch. Looks really good. And those are the 2 new plants that I just bought. So I'm gonna water those today. I also just wanted to show you, this was the new sprinkler that I had mentioned. So this is how it looks connected. And like I said, I got it off of Amazon. It looks really good. I really like the way this sprinkler works. It goes all the way up, as you can see, and then all the way back down again. It has a pretty wide range. I feel like it really covers a large part of the grass. So that is really nice. So I bought 2 of those, one for this side of the yard and one for the other side of the yard as well. Some of my grass is like, you know, it looks pretty good still, but of course I have some brown patches. So I'm just hoping that, you know, I'm trying to water the grass, but I don't want to overdo with watering because I don't want a really crazy high water bill. So just doing the best I can to water it a few times. It has been raining a lot more than usual, so that has helped with not having to water the grass so much. All right, so I will update you as soon as we completely finish with all the mulch in the front, and I'll let you know what it looks like. I will check back in with you all in just a few moments. All right, guys, so I finished everything with the front yard. So let me go ahead and turn the camera on so I can show you what everything looks like. Okay, so this is what my front yard looks like. So I would say definitely took me, you know, it's a 2-part video, 2 days to mow the grass. I still haven't like done like the edges with the weed whacker, so that's something I need to do. But this is our grass, our lawn mowed. I think it looks pretty good, and this is what the mulch looks like, and my 2 new plants right here. I think they look really good. So, and like I said, I didn't get rid of this one. It still has some leaves on it, so I want to keep that. But yeah, I think otherwise the mulch looks really good. Just need to water over here. And then this is that plant I was showing you that at Home Depot that I have in my yard. It's still really green and vibrant, so it's definitely holding up strong. And this is just what the rest of the yard looks like with the mulch. Of course, I have a couple of tall pieces of grass here that I want to trim away, but I think everything looks really good. So let me show you the other side of the house as well. Here on the other side, as you can see, I added some mulch to this plant right here as well. So it looks really good. And then I also have this plant over here, this one. So we just added some mulch here to this one as well. I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit more, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna just spread the mulch out a little bit more, but yeah, and this plant is still very green and vibrant as well. And then I just want to show you what my backyard, my side yard and my backyard look like. So this is what my side yard looks like. Just not really, it's not really coming out totally the way it should be. As you can see, there's still a lot of patches in the ground. I have consulted with someone to help me figure out like how to grow the grass with these patches. So I'm supposed to have someone come out this fall to seed the side and the backyard as well, because I have the same issue in the backyard back there with more patches of grass. But I do have a lot of green grass, but there's still these patches that definitely need to be filled in. So hopefully the seeding this fall will definitely help my grass to grow in a lot better. But yeah, so that's how everything looks. I feel like this side of my yard, it does look a bit brown on this side as well. So I'm hoping to, you know, maybe water it some more. I'm not really sure what else I can do. Maybe the seeding this fall will also help with this side of my yard and some of these brown patches of grass as well. All right, but I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera on and let's wrap up. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed me trying to do a little bit of outdoor work on my front yard. So if you guys have any tips or pointers in regards to lawn care or how I can help maintain my grass to be more green, please let me know down in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate it so much, because I think that's like the biggest struggle for me, is to keep my grass green. And you know, definitely am going to be doing the seeding and working on the backyard, trying to get that to grow in where those brown patches are. But I think it was definitely nice to be able to do the mulch and add the two plants to my front yard. I think they look great. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.